Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make cell border invisible in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here added the border. Now we want to make the border is invisible. At first, select the border cells. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu, select the border drop down menu and choose no border option. Then we go to the file menu and select the print option, then check the preview. We can see here not available the border. Now we can see we make cell border invisible very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.